welcome back to Ranger Dog Training. Don't you dare. Sit. So we're back here with Lulu, and we're working on her jumping. This is her worst thing. She just wants to jump on everybody, be friendly. It's been a little bit of a task because she's always wants to get up there and give affection. So things we have to do is keep her very structured. So having her sit, giving her pets, don't get excited with her, and then work her through that, and then gets her rewards when she does something right. But right now, we're gonna work on her place command, and then we're gonna go out. So we just got back from a little walk, and then we're gonna go out in public and see how she does out in public, and a little bit more distractions, trying to ignore people because people are gonna come up and she's so cute. We're not gonna let her pet them until I'm gonna say sit. Good. But I wouldn't let anybody pet Lulu now until we have the respect of each other to get that. A lot of times people come up the wrong way. Hey, you're so cute, oh my God, and they use that voice, which gets the dog excited, and then the dog jumps. So right now we want to kind of take away all that opportunity for Ludo to jump and anything like that. So come on, buddy, let's go. So place command helps with impulse, so they have to learn it. But Ludo, Luke, place, good place, good job. Break, good job, come. We're getting her into the routine that she's working now, and then we'll go back out later and work with her. Excuse me, keep on calling her. Ludo, place, sit, good. So we're just doing a little movement. Nope. So you turn around, but just can't come off. Nope. Gotta learn those boundaries. Sit. Good. You don't get a treat every time. You're so cute. Let's go. Break. Come. Let's go. Place. Good place. Sit. Stay. So we're going to go to the end of the leash. Using our body pressure to push him back. So he got off, no big deal. We're going to slowly give a verbal no, physical no, and bring him back. Okay, break. Hasn't learned the rules yet, so we're just gonna keep practicing. Luda, place, good place. Doesn't have to sit, but they have to stay there. Stay, nope. So is that verbal and the physical. Break. So if you notice, I'm touching Lou's nose, and I'm giving a physical touch to come off that command. This helps the dog out in the beginning of the time. You can do it all verbal. Sit. You notice we're not saying the command over again. We want the dog to think, what do I want? I want the SIT. So I'll give it a little push down. I only use my fingers. I kind of massage it. If you use your whole hand, they're gonna say, nope. Okay, break. We're gonna try it. I don't think she's ready for it. He's ready for it yet. I don't know, I call dogs all hers. But here we go. We're gonna go. Place, good. Stay. We might use our body language. We're gonna keep on for a short time. They have to stay there. Then I'm gonna go up. Those 10 seconds, break. Good job. Now I'm gonna reward him for staying on it after the whole task is finished. Good job. Let's go. Come. Place. Good place. Sit. Good. Sit. Stay. Break. Good job. Voice is calm, relaxed. If we get excited, especially when they do a good job, they're going to break their command. Let's go. Place, patience, repetition, be accountable, and being consistent. Good. Break. We're going to get some water. Come on, let's get some water. What we're going to do is we're going to get all set up, and we're going to go probably out to Lowe's and see how Ludo does out there. I think she'll do pretty fine, and let's set that up. So we're going to go there, and we'll see you at Lowe's. Wait. Wait. Nope. Wait. Nope. No. Nope. Okay. All right, we're going to be coming out the gate. We could go to sit. Okay, Mr. Go to wait. I want to do sit. Sit. Even though they can't see us, I open the gate. I can either pull on the leash or I could close the gate in their face. Wait. Wait. Gotta wait. Keep loose leash. If you put pressure on, they're gonna go. Go. Good job. Now we're gonna get it up in the vehicle. We got a little step up out. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Now we're off to Lowe's. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're here at Lowe's with Ludo, and we're going to be working with him inside Lowe's, get him some distraction training and see how he does. This is a good place to work with your dog, especially if it's hot in the summertime or really cold or rainy and you need to work with your dog and train with them. Lowe's is a good place to bring your dog, as long as they're not reactive or acting up. And we're going to get Ludo out of the vehicle. One thing he has to remember, stay. Wait. Wait. Just like the doorway, he has to wait. Out. Boom. Put the step down, he doesn't even use it. Knuckle hit. Now we're going to take him into Lowe's and start working with them. Wait. Let's go. You know, sit. Wait. Okay. Wait. Sit. Good. Come. Let the leash all the way out so he follows us. Boom. Come. Sit. Gonna keep everything controlled. Come. Yes. Good job. Come. Sit. Good job. We want to stay calm and relax because we don't want him to jump. Come. Probably shouldn't have gave him the treat that time because he got out of his sit. So let's go on some more places. Let's go. Every doorway, they have to wait. So this is new. Doesn't know what it is, but they have to wait until we say, okay. So we'll get the doors open again. Let's go. Ludo, come. Sit. Good job. Let's go. Come. Sit. Yes. All right, we talked about the other day is, getting Ludo to sit right next to us. Here's a good way to doing it is using a wall or something right next to you, and you stop right next to that wall to get him to sit right next to you. So we're gonna go out here, and like every 3 to 5 feet, we're gonna stop and sit. Ludo, sit. Help him out. Good. Move a couple more feet. Sit. Help him out. Because he sees a person in front of him, he's excited, but we're going to keep him under control. Good. Sit. So this is a good way to use a wall here to keep him right behind you so his butt doesn't flip out. So we keep on practicing with that. Let's go further in. Let's go. That was good. You didn't jump. Ludo just met a person, didn't jump, but hey, come. Stay with me. Using the wall, they have a wall right next to us. Come. Lots of distractions, and we want to build up distractions so we desensitize them. Come. Sit. Yes.
How you doing, sir?
All right. No.
Pretty good.
You gotta stay in the sit. So her natural tendency is, I want to go see everybody, but we want to keep her from doing that until we give them permission, because not everybody likes. All right, here's another great example that we can use these dryers and washers for to keep him straight next to us. He has a lot of distractions, a lot of new sounds, a lot of new smells, so we can get him used to it. Come. Buddha. Sit. So he's thinking really hard. Job. You're not going to reward him for that because he didn't do it. Let's go. Hey, sit. Give him time to think about it. Help him out. Good job. Let's go. You can do it. Sit. Thinking hard. I'm going to coach him. Yes. So we waited before we rewarded them. Come. So we're going to be walking by some people. We're going to give him his space. Let's go. So he stays focused on us. Let's go. And we're using these, I guess you would say, little kiosk displays for directions. Let's go. Come. Wait with me. Stay. Come. Good. So a lot of smells with the different woods. Ludo, come. Sit. Yes, that's what I wanted. Good job. Come. It's repetition, repetition. Patience is the biggest thing. Yes, baby. Turn around without me putting pressure on the leash. Good job. Stay with me. Slow. Let's go. Come. No. Sit. So we're waiting. Yes. Because I could have went sit, 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 but we don't want to do that. We want the dog to do it on their own so they learn it. Let's go. Good job. Come. We want to start paying attention to us. We want to keep that loose leash. So if I walk away, I want, oh, you went that way. I want you to stay with me. This is also going to help with recall, that they stay in a parameter. Say you want to set it at 15 feet. You're going to use a 15-foot leash. There's so many sounds and noises. Come. Sit. Good. As soon as the bottom hits the ground, mark it. Pay them. Good job. Pay can be with a good verbal tone. Good. It also can be a pet. Come. So, good job. So we're using distractions of people that they have, doesn't have to go say hi to everybody. We're also using these kiosks again to go in and out. So this gives you an idea to work it into your schedule. If you're going out, you gotta do some houseworking on your home or stuff like that and getting something from the store. You can use Lowe's to help you out and do some training while you're there. So now we just worked it into our life. And we go like this. So we're gonna head back now and give Ludo a break. Good job. Stay with us. Come on. Come. Sit. Good. Come here. Stay with me. Yes. That's my girl. Come here, my boy. That's my boy. Lude. Lude, come. Yes. Slow. Come. Good.